Alright, welcome back to another video. I just got done mowing lawns for the day. It is a very big mess in here. For anyone that doesn't know, I have to put my lawnmower in the van and then I drop it off at a house where I got permission to leave all my equipment. I need to get this back in living order, all cleaned up and stuff. Can you spot Fen back there? Right there. There's also a little dust cap that goes on some people's tires, not everyone's, but I just picked up a new one, so I need to replace that. It's a very important piece to have because your bearings will dry out. There's like oil and stuff in there that you have to keep all good. Let's clean the van, get that new cap on, and we'll get this video started. That's the spot. I'll show you guys what the other tire looks like. Normally there's one of these on it, and at some point while I was driving it popped off, so I'm gonna get that replaced real quick. I just got this little mallet thing from the dollar store, so hopefully it's powerful enough, because these things can be tricky to get in. Gosh. That just completely came apart. Alright, I think we're good. Man, this thing got destroyed. I need to get some shorts on real quick. It's getting pretty hot. Alright, the floor is looking better. But now I just need to clean this mess. It's not the best looking, but it's a lot better. Right now I can finally relax. That was a long day of mowing lawns. I'm not too sure what I'm doing for the rest of the day. It's currently 3 p.m. We still got a lot of the day left, but I guess we'll find out. I've been addicted to trail mix lately. I don't know why it's so good, but
We're leaving this island. I'm going over to spend some time with my daughter, and then we bouncing out for the entire summer.
okay, I should probably get up. Hey buddy, should we sleep or go outside? Uh-oh. Wanna go outside? Let's go. That one. Okay. Man, it's a really nice day. You're a good boy. Alright, I just got done doing some editing for a video. I'm gonna go head to McDonald's and use their bathroom real quick. it's been a few hours since I last talked to you guys, but it is already 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Just woke up. It is 7:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna get up and get ready for the day real quick. Fen, what are you doing? Come here, buddy. Oh, good boy. Alright, I'm gonna go grab some coffee real quick. I have to wait like 10 minutes for the lobby to open because I don't fit through the drive-thru. Alright, I finally got a coffee. I get McDonald's coffee because their premium roast is just $1.80, so it's pretty cheap. But anyways, this video had pretty much no purpose to it, so I hope you guys enjoyed anyways. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.